In this video, I'm going to show you how to use wood glue effectively for your woodworking projects. Use a high-quality, waterproof wood glue for strong and long-lasting bonds. As for tools, you'll need some clamps to keep the joined wood together. Clamps are essential for a good glue joint because they apply even pressure and prevent the wood from moving. Consider using clamping blocks to distribute the pressure evenly across the glued surfaces. Before applying the glue, ensure the surfaces are clean, dry, and free from dust or debris. This will ensure a stronger bond. Once the wood surfaces are ready, squeeze some wood glue onto one of the surfaces you want to join. Cover the entire surface, but don't apply too much. A thin, even layer is sufficient. Too much glue can cause squeeze out. After applying the glue, join the pieces. Press the glued surfaces together firmly. Make sure they align perfectly. The next step is to use clamps to hold the pieces together securely. The excess glue will squeeze out, and that's normal. While the glue is still wet, use a damp cloth to wipe off any excess that has been squeezed out. This will help create a neater finish and prevent hardened glue from interfering with your project. Pay attention to hard-to-reach areas and corners. It's important to let the glued pieces dry completely. As a general rule, you should leave the clamps on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. However, it's best to leave the clamps on for a full day for a strong bond. Once the glue is fully dry, carefully remove the clamps. Your pieces should now be securely bonded together. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.